Mark Stromquist here at IBCON Realcomm 214 with Bob Mealy, Chief Business Operating Officer at Lynxspring.com. Hey Bob, how's the show going for you?
Show's going awesome. We're really focusing in on our CyberPro product, our cybersecurity product that lets people on the public internet access devices behind a firewall, and we're just getting tremendous interest in the product, especially from the large end user community and the property managers. So very good.
Yeah, well, we've done some stuff with George Hawkinson in the past on that and sort of broke it down. He's done some great training on that. I understand Billy the Kid Rios thinks you guys got the greatest product going and we're a security expert. What makes CyberPro special?
Well, a couple of things. One, it provides double authentication for users trying to get access on the system. Secondly, it provides an intensive access rather than extensive access to the devices on the network. And what I mean by that is that you can see devices that you're specified to see, but you can't see any more than that. Unlike a VPN, once you're in the network, you're in the network.
Right.
We have an encrypted tunnel that exists between the client accessing the system and the system itself.
Well, let me take a shot at this, okay? Because I think one of the things that makes this product so cool is it's easy enough for a guy like me to even understand, okay? So my understanding, and you correct me if I'm wrong any step of the way, so it seems like one of the things that goes on with the internet is a port stays open 100% of the time. You get a bad guy or some kid that's maybe upset that his parent spends too much time playing war games, he writes an algorithm or a little robot, and it just goes around searching for open ports, right? So if it finds an open port, then he's got a little program that just keeps trying passwords forever, theoretically, until it gets in. But what you guys do is you close that port down unless somebody's authenticated to come in, so that little robot goes along, it sees a closed port, it just goes down to the next port.
It doesn't even see a closed port. There's no open ports that exist because we use outbound ports only, and when the system's in operation, it's masked, so there is no port to see.
It's like a stealth system.
Exactly.
There you go. There you go. Now, is this a Mark Peacock concept? Mark Peacock, your Vice President of Marketing. By the way, Mark, hello. Wish you were here.
Mark did everything on this system.
Yeah.
He designed the hardware. He wrote the code. The whole thing was Mark.
Yeah, right now he's taking, his reason he's not at the show is he's finding a cure for cancer, he's solving world hunger, and what else is figuring out how to get to the moon and solving the energy crisis. Just took a week off to do all that, right?
He did that, and he's doing all of that from his spare bedroom.
There you go. All right, Mark, well, we're pretty impressed, but hey, please come back to our industry because we miss you. But all kidding aside, Lynxspring, phenomenal companies. You guys, cybersecurity is like, I think, one of the really cool products you have right now. But you guys also have a tremendous product offering on the building automation side. Speak about that, if you would.
Yeah, we do. We are a partner of Tritium, and we're I think we're the only partner that actually manufactures under license to Tritium. It's the J's technology. We market it as Genesis. So we've got a very complete line. We've got value-added services on top of that. We've written drivers. We have a professional services group. And we have also a whole line of application-specific controllers and sensors and devices like that we make available to our 200 channel partners.
Well, you guys have such a great reputation. I know you guys do a lot with national accounts. They trust you as being able to deliver across the country. You guys do a great job there. Terry Swope, one of our favorite people, just tremendous integrity.
Yes, Terry Swope, yeah.
So
you've talked to Terry before.
I've talked to Terry.
He's a blues guitarist.
I know he's a blues guitarist. And listen, true or false? True or false? Terry Swope is a body double. When Greg Allman gets too high on drugs to perform, Terry steps in and is a Greg Allman impersonator.
That's not impersonator. He is Greg Allman when he wants to be.
Oh, he's Greg Allman when he wants to be. I knew he was a rock star when he wanted to be. Okay, cool. Well, there you go. Talking to Bob Mealy from Lynxspring. Hey, these guys not only make great products, they're fun to hang out with. They got a great sense of humor. How do they get hold of you?
They can get a hold of us at 816-347-3500.
For the old school people, but the new school people.
At www.lynxspring.com.
There you go, and don't ever try to hack their system. They will catch you. All right, Bob, thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.